What's going on, guys? Me again, that one review guy that's on Agus's channel. Anyways, today we're reviewing the Redragon Kumara Blue Switch Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. Box, nice, compact, same with the keyboard. And let's go ahead and get into it. So, here, come over here so you can see the keyboard itself. So, I'm just going to open the box. Now, I have used this keyboard before. I'm just doing a review on it. Here it is. This... Oh, you're probably wondering what this is. You can actually take the keys off with this, and you can see the switch itself that the key goes on, and then just pop it back on. And they did that so you can change out the keys and stuff. And by blue switches, I mean like loud and clicky switches. Like, listen to this. The keyboard glows up red too. It's only a single color. I don't know if you can see that on the box. Unfortunately, I don't have anything at the moment to plug it into besides my computer over there, but we're in the middle of a review, and I couldn't start my computer up in enough time, so we have all the keys, Q, W, E, R, T, Y, U, I, O, P, A, S, D, F, J, K, or G, H, J, K, L, Z, X, C, V, B, and M. Yeah. It's actually number padless, and it has different modes. So say I were to have the the lights on, or the lights, I would press down function right here, and then scroll lock, and I could turn them off, on, off, on. And then, also, if I held down function right here, and pressed home right here, the keyboard would actually start doing like a breathing thing, like it blinks on and off. And you can change the speed of it by going over here, just plus and minus. You press that and the speed goes up. You press that and it goes down. You have all the function keys, F keys, yeah. You have the escape, number keys. Another good thing is that this keyboard is actually waterproof. Meaning if you spill something on it, it's totally fine. And another good thing is this keyboard is like an amazing keyboard at such a small price. And I just find it hard to believe. This thing's like 30 or 40 bucks. Like, that's how good the deal is. The cable, I believe, is about like 2-3 feet. Unfortunately, cable isn't that long. So if you have like a big setup, you're going to need an extension USB cord. Yeah, it's USB. Forgot to mention that. Of course it is. It's a keyboard, but... Anyways, that's probably going to... Oh yeah, I forgot to mention. It also has these foldable stands. You can prop it up. I don't know if I can get it. Yeah. They're actually pretty nice and elevated. Anyways, that's probably going to wrap up this video. I'll see you guys with another keyboard review in the next video. Peace!